Hey guys, Kyle here again from stormhackvideos, and now that you've seen my dog, I thought I'd make a video about why you should subscribe to stormhackvideos. It's a very good reason actually. Let me show you why. Okay. You see this dog right here? See him? He's lying on the heating pad still. Well, this is a baby Weiner dog. He's only 2 years old, and he loves to be petted. Now, I got a deal with you YouTube viewers. I'm going to make a video after each month, so at the end of every month I'm going to post a video up, and every subscriber that I get, he will get one pet. Just like this. He'll be petted nice. So that's for 2 subscribers. Now, if no one subscribes during the month, well, unfortunately, this baby is not going to receive a pet on the video. So, for his sake, please subscribe. Isn't that right, Jinxie? Yeah, isn't that right? Oh, come on, you little stubborn wiener dog, look up. Look up, show him how much you care. See, you guys gotta subscribe, or I'm not gonna get a pet. Yeah, he knows. See, you guys have made him sad, so you better subscribe so we can get a pet. So, please subscribe for the sake of him getting petted. And thanks for watching. See ya.